Want to multitask on your iPhone by watching videos while using other apps? That's where picture-in-picture PIP mode comes in. PIP mode lets you play videos in a small floating window while you navigate through other tasks. If you're unsure how to enable this feature, don't worry, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone supports PIP. PIP is available on iPhones running iOS 14 or later. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update to ensure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Enable Picture-in-Picture mode. Open the Settings app, tap General, select Picture-in-Picture, turn on the toggle for Start PIP automatically. By following these steps, you can easily enable and use picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Thanks for watching.